Hello guys, if you are looking for what next after this course, then I will highly recommend you to go through the Solidity course on my website toshacademy.com, where you will learn how this Solidity exactly works and each and every aspect of the Solidity. Plus, if you want to understand how to create a new cryptocurrency with Ethereum, you can do that in my another course. And also, if you want to understand the DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization, then I'll highly recommend you to go through that course, because that course will make you more powerful in terms of the Crowdsale application while transferring the fund from your application to the DAO, not to the founder, giving more trust to the contributor so that they can invest more into your project, because you don't want you to be successful, you want your project to be successful. So for that you need to understand the DAO. Check out my course on decentralized blockchain application and how to build digital democracy on blockchain. You can check out the coupon code what's next. You'll enjoy the tremendous discount on every course, and you'll be very happy to see that what kind of learning that you can make with this kind of application. Thank you.